Long time ago in Age Lava, there were two kingdoms which were twins. Jenggala Kingdom, which was led by Raya Jayang Negara, and Kediri Kingdom, which was led by Jayang Rana. According to the story, both of the kingdoms were in a region called Kahuripan. Before his death, Airlangga ordered that the two kingdoms should be put back together through a marriage to avoid the war between them. Because of that, Panji Asmarabangun, who was Jayang Negara son, was married with Sekartaji, who was Jayanegarana daughter. Unexpectedly, Jenggala Kingdom was attacked by their enemy kingdom. When the war was happening, Princess Sekartaji escaped and hid into a village far from Jenggala. I shall go from this kingdom. I'm afraid if I will make Panji have another problem. If I am still in Jenggala, I must escape to somewhere far from Jenggala. Sekartaji was disguised as a village girl and stayed with a wealthy widow named Nyai Intan. Nyai Intan had two beautiful daughters. They are Kelinting Merah and Kelinting Hijau.
I don't know you, even see you, girl.
I don't know, ma'am. I just lost my way, and finally I arrived here, but I forgot all the things about myself. May I stay for some days in your home?
I'll consider it. I asked for my two lovely daughters' opinion about you. My daughters!
Yes, ma'am! Who is this poor girl? What does she want from us?
She lost her way, and she lived here. She forgot all of her memories. Now she wants to stay here.
What? That's none of our business, mommy.
That's right, mom. We don't even know whether she's nice or just fool us and have a bad plans to us.
Okay. Maybe we agree if she wants to live here. But if the condition, I'll do everything with pleasure if I can live here.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
That's a good idea!
By Nyai Intan, Sekartaji was considered as a doctor too. Named Kelinting Kuning. At Nyai Intan's house, Kelinting Kuning always told to do all the homework such as cooking, washing, and cleaning house. She often shouted by Nyai Intan and treated badly by her two stepsisters.
Kelinting Kuning, come here quick!
Yes, Kelinting Merah, what can I do for you?
Message my shoulder. I'm so tired. Do it now. Hey, do you want to kill me? Please strangle my neck.
I'm sorry, I didn't do it on purpose.
I don't want to hear your explanation. Go away.
Kelinting Kuning, come here! Comb my hair. Oh, you damaged my hair. Do you have with my hair, huh?
Kelinting Kuning was got angry by Nyai Intan. Every day she always cried alone. Meanwhile, in the Jenggala Kingdom, Panji Asmarabangun with his troops successfully repulsed their enemy force. However, he was very sad because his wife had left the place. He didn't know where his wife was now. God, please meet me with Sekartaji. I'm so missing her. Where is she now? I should ask all the guards to find Sekartaji, my lovely wife.
Long life to Prince. What's matter, Prince?
Ask all the guards to find my wife, Princess Sekartaji. Find her in every entire village.
After the situation in the Jenggala Kingdom was back to normal, the prince decided to look for his wife. One afternoon, when he was sitting in the hall of the place, a guard came to give him news.
Prince! Prince! With my respect, sir, I'd like to convey you good news.
Wait, do you know about something, my wife? Do you already know where my wife is now?
I've messy, sir. One of the guards just found a girl like your wife in a village. However, I'm not sure that she was a Princess Kartaji, because she was a village girl who worked as a maid with a wealthy widow.
Fine. In the conditions like that, we should make plan. I'll discuss Prince who is looking for me, and we'll go to Dadapan village tomorrow.
The next day, he went with some guards to Dadapan village near Solo River. The village was across the village of Nyai Intan's house. In the village, Panji Asmarabangun changed his name into Ande Ande Lumut and stayed with an old widow named Mr. Randa.
Ya Bang, cukup ya, terima kasih ya.
Prince coming!
I'll be so pleased to meet Thank you very much. I'll take you later.
A few days later, he ordered his guard to announce his find a maid contest to all corners of the village. In a short time, the news of the contest spread to the village where Klenting Kuning was.
Can you call your family here? I have an announcement for
Mom, putih merah. What happened to the hijau?
Is that all of your family?
Yes.
Yes, this is an announcement. For all the girls of the world, the princess held a finding a maid contest to look for a girl who deserves to become a princess. The contest will be held tomorrow in Dadapan village. This contest refers to all the girls with no exception. This is
Oh, this is my chance to become famous and rich. I will be rich and live at the huge palace. Rich.
Klenting Merah and Klenting Hijau were so happy hearing the contest. They will dress up as beautiful as possible to make the handsome prince. Ande Ande Lumut fell in love with them.
We should dress up as pretty as possible. If the one of us become a princess, the mother will be proud and pleased.
Yes, and of course, because we'll be rich and famous and I'll be a princess.
So if it's so, we are rivals now.
Of course, because I'm sure if the prince would want to choose me as wife, then you.
Okay, just next who will be chosen by the prince later.
Okay.
The contest began. Klenting Merah and Klenting Hijau wore their best clothes and beautiful jewelry. When they were dressing up, Klenting Kuning approached them.
Wow, you look beautiful.
Of course, hi Klenting Kuning, do you want to join this contest too?
No way, you don't have any clothes. Do you want to join the contest with a dress like that?
That's right, you don't deserve to join this contest. You better take care of all your work. Go away, go to the river to wash all dirty clothes.
Is my husband still alive? Where is he now? If he is still alive, please meet me with him, God.
Klenting Kuning had no time to say anything. The crane fled into the sky and disappeared. Without any further delay, Klenting Kuning turned back into the house and getting ready to go to the Dadapan village. Meanwhile, the two sisters had departed first. They had reached the Solo River. They were confused because they had to cross the river, which was deep and wide, while none of the boats that looked near the river.
Finally! Yay! Finally we arrived! But I think it's not over. How can we cross this river?
What should I do?
Hey, look! What's that?
How shocked two doctors when they saw a giant crab that was floating on the surface of the river. According to the story, the giant crab named Yuyu Kangkang was Ande-Ande Lumut's envoy in the contest to test the girls who passed the river.
Hey Giant Swan, who are you? Would you help us to cross this river?
My name is Yu Kangkang. I help you, but you should fulfill my requirement.
What's that you Kakang say?
No matter what you ask to us, we'll fulfill as long as we can cross this river.
All of you should kiss me first before I take you across the river.
Kissing you? Everything in this earth.
Don't talk too much, Kanting Hijau. You have to do it.
Yeah, or maybe you will surrender, give me a chance to become a new wife of the other.
Oh no, never. We will not give a chance. Okay, I agree to fulfill the term.
Finally, Kunling Merah and her sister accept the terms Yuyu Kangkang gave. One by one, they kiss Yuyu Kangkang. After that, Yuyu Kangkang escorted them to the opposite village. A few moments later, Klenting Kuning also arrived at the river bank. When Yuyu Kangkang submitted the same requirements kiss, Klenting Kuning refused. She didn't want to betray her husband. Although she refused that term, she kept forcing Yuyu Kangkang to help her cross the river. Klenting Kuning repeatedly asked, but the giant crab was still refused. Except Klenting Kuning would qualify the term.
How can I cross this river? There's nothing can be used here.
Hey sweeties, you should kiss me if you want to cross the river into the Delapan village.
Who are you?
My name is Yu Kangkang. I'm sure that you are one of the girls who will join the contest to get the prince heart. Aren't you? There are also two girls and a woman join the contest, Klenting Merah and Klenting Hijau.
Klenting Merah and Klenting Hijau are my sister. Yeah, they joined this contest too. How do you know it? Did they get there?
Of course I know, and they have got there.
How can?
Like what I said, if you want to cross the river, you should kiss me first.
No, I don't want it. It's prefer not to join this contest. Then I must issue.
It's up to you. I just want to help you, but you should kiss.
If so, what you want?
Klenting Kuning got angry. She would slip her whip into the river and immediately shallow river water also be regressed. Saying this, Yuyu Kangkang became frightened and soon took across Klenting Kuning and even drove her up to the Dadapan village. Arriving to Mr. Randa's house, Klenting Kuning met with her two stepsisters and her adoptive mother.
Klenting Kuning? What will you do here? You also join the contest.
I just want to try it. Moreover, this contest is open for all girls over the village.
Don't you see what is your look? You are not deserved to join this contest.
The contest began in turn. First, Klenting Merah and her siblings saw her beauty and elegance to Ande-Ande Lumut. However, none of them were selected by Ande-Ande Lumut. Seeing this, Mr. Randa was begged Ande-Ande Lumut for select for one of her daughters to be the princess.
Apparently, the girl who was appointed by Ande-Ande Lumut is Klenting Kuning. When Klenting Kuning faced him, Ande-Ande Lumut thought of wait. Apparently, the girl who was appointed by Ande-Ande Lumut is Klenting Kuning. Apparently, the girl who was appointed by Ande-Ande Lumut is Klenting Kuning. When Klenting Kuning faced him, Ande-Ande Lumut got up from this throne.
Have mercy, son.
Why do you prefer uncouth girl to them? Beautiful and charming girl.
I choose that girl as the princess.
Apparently, the girl who was appointed by Andi Andalamut is Kunting Kuning. When Kunting Kuning fetched him, Andi Andalamut stood up from his throne.
What? Is it real? Are you Panji Asmara Bangun?
Wait, how do you know real my name?
With the magic whip from the crane, Kunting Kuning quickly transformed herself into a beautiful princess. Panji Asmara Bangun just realized Kunting Kuning was his wife, Dewi Sekartaji.
You are my wife, Sekartaji, aren't you?
What do you think?
So, what the god has said about you live in the window is true?
It's a long story. I'm sure I have not enough time to explain, because I know you must be tired. Well, I'm so tired too. So, how if I tell you after we arrive at the place? Actually, I really miss Jenggala Kingdom.
Well, if that is what you want.
Finally, that couple who loved each other meet again and live happily. As a thank you to Mr. Randa, Panji Asmara Bangun asked her to stay in Jenggala Kingdom, while two girls returned to their village with the feeling of disappointment and embarrassment.
Action.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up and stay right there. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me
No way! You don't have any clothes! Do you want to join the contest
I'll
with
be
this
lounging on the couch just chilling in my snuggie.
You don't deserve to join this contest. You better take care of all your roles. Go away, go to the river who was all your clothes.
I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed.
Nggak tahu. Ini nih.
Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything.
Finally!
Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Tomorrow I'll wake up, do some P90X, meet a really nice girl, have some really nice sex, and she's gonna scream out, "This is great." Yeah, I might mess around and get my college degree. I bet my old man will be so proud of me. But sorry, Pops, you'll just have to wait. Oh, yes, I said it 'cause I can.
Action.
Kita bisa. Diana, Nadia, Laras,
Dani, Landi.
Arya, Yeay! Lucu banget. Udah belum?